Tree Cutting Coorparoo. Chip off the old block provides expert tree lopping Coorparoo services tailored to maintain safety, shape, and tree health. Our certified team specializes in structural trimming and safe tree removal Coorparoo for sick, dead, or pest-infected trees that pose a risk to nearby property. We ensure responsible practices when operating near fences, homes, and wildlife. For complete cleanup, we also offer Stump Removal Coorparoo, including grinding and safe disposal to leave your yard hazard-free. With decades of experience, our Tree Cutting Coorparoo solutions help manage overgrowth, restore balance, and protect surrounding landscapes effectively.